Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a low row machine. Start by adjusting the seat so your chest aligns with the top of the pad. This ensures proper leverage and engagement. Next, choose a weight that challenges you but allows for good form throughout the entire movement. Plant your feet firmly on the footrests, maintaining a slight bend in your knees for stability. Finally, grasp the handle with your preferred grip, making sure your arms are fully extended before you begin. To execute the low row effectively, begin by retracting your shoulder blades, initiating the pull from your back muscles. Pull the handle towards your lower abdomen, focusing on squeezing your shoulder blades together at the peak of the contraction. Remember to keep your elbows tucked in close to your body. Throughout the entire exercise, maintain a straight back and an engaged core, resisting the urge to rock your torso. To maximize the benefits and prevent injury, avoid common mistakes. Do not use excessive momentum or swing your body to lift the weight. This reduces muscle engagement. Be mindful not to shrug your shoulders towards your ears, as this can strain your neck. Always keep your back straight, avoiding any rounding during both the pull and the release. Ensure a full range of motion, but do not hyperextend your back at the end. The low row is excellent for strengthening major back muscles like your lats and rhomboids, significantly improving your posture and overall upper body strength. Experiment with different grips, overhand, underhand, or neutral, to target various parts of your back. For muscle growth, aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, ensuring each rep is performed with controlled, deliberate movement. This exercise is a cornerstone for a strong, well-defined back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.